The metaverse and the multiverse are two fascinating concepts that often get confused. The metaverse is a single, immersive digital universe where users interact in real time. Think virtual reality meets social media. It's a shared space, like a massive online game where you can create, explore, and connect with others. Imagine attending a concert in a virtual arena or collaborating on a project with someone halfway across the globe, all in real time. On the other hand, the multiverse refers to the idea of multiple, parallel universes existing simultaneously. Each universe can have its own laws of physics, timelines, and realities. Think of it like a vast library of infinite stories, where every choice creates a new branch of existence. While the metaverse is about shared experiences in a single digital realm, the multiverse invites us to ponder the endless possibilities of existence itself. So, whether you're diving into a virtual world or contemplating alternate realities, both concepts challenge our understanding of reality in exciting ways. Looking for more details? Check the link in bio.